fun and frolic. Hi everyone, today in this video we're going to be doing a beautiful greeting card. So it is very simple and easy. So we're going to be using some sketch pens to give the outline, some crayons too, and some color pencils so that we can shade them. You would also need a blank paper to do the greeting card. So the first step is you fold the greeting card into half. Then only it'll look like a beautiful greeting card. But make sure on all the sides they're the same, like this. Yeah, now we have the outer of the greeting card. Okay. Now we can decorate it. I'm going to be doing this card for my best friend. So I'm going to be writing, you're the best friend, but you can do anything as you like. So first I would need a pencil. I'm going to write you are my best friend, and there. So we have got like you are my best friend, and down I'm going to be drawing something, whatever I like. I just draw a pot with flowers, but you can draw anything you like, as you can do like a pot, a cute little doggy, or you both, or anything, but I'm going to do a pot with flowers. So I've drawn like 3 roses and 2 flowers, but you can draw any flower you like or any different picture, it's your wish. So now, since we finished the outer part, let's go to the inside part. We can write in something like, I'm going to be writing you. So I wrote, you are my best friend. You have been so nice to me. You have given me so many small surprises, and I want to give you this card. Thank you so much for everything. That was my beautiful card. And here, my friend's name is Sukruta, and I'm going to be writing her name like that. So let me show you how I'm going to do that. Here, so I'm going to first write her name. It's Suk, R U T H A, Sukruta. So it's Sukruta, her name. So I wrote her name, and I'm going to give like a dash. Here for S, what is a good word? I can write superstar. Superstar. And here, what is a good name? Unique. K, what's a good name? Kind. Here I can write rockstar. U, again U. Okay, just go to the next one. T, what should I write? For you, I can write ultimate. That's a good thing. Ultimate. For T, talented. Yeah, that's the thing. So I can write like this. It's a good thing to write. It's a style too. And here I can write best friend. and I can write apostrophe. Yeah, this is a good page for thing. And last but not least, in this page, I'm going to just write my name and to whom it is. Then I can start with my sketch. I wrote it and then now I can go on with my sketch work. So this sketch is kind of like a different thing. So see here, it's written broad. Broad, if I open this cap, it's thick, right? Okay. If I open this side, it's thin. Okay, but I'm not going to use this thin side because it's going to be very, very thin. But I'm going to use the thick side. So for you, I'm going to put it in purple. You, I'm going to write here. You. You. I can give different colors. So I have shaded this too. So let's go to the next page. Here I'm just going to underline it with the words. Yay, now I have finished my beautiful card. And thank you for watching my video. And please subscribe and you can try it out too. Hope you subscribe. Bye.